There are two choices for you to select from. The first is to grab your laptop or mobile device and follow the instructions that I'm about to teach you. If you do so, I guarantee that you will earn $375 passively. You just need to set it up once and then leave it to do whatever you want. The alternative is to do the exact opposite and not follow the procedures in this video, in which case you would not have a passive revenue stream. The choice is yours. If you select the first choice, you may earn a lot of money while still having more time for yourself, your friends, and your family. If you think that's ridiculous, look at my profits from using this technique. I've only been doing this for a few days and I've always been able to make this much money. Imagine if we tried this for a month. The earning potential with this brand new strategy is limitless. The best thing about this strategy I'm about to show you is that you can do it from anywhere in the world and you don't have to invest on anything. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. I'll teach you how to make money using animated GIFs, or GIFs. For those of you who aren't familiar with what a GIF is, I believe that it is by far the easiest method to make money online, and you don't need complicated computer abilities to achieve it. The abbreviation GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. It is a lossless format for image files that support both animated and static images. If you want to see what a GIF looks like, you can simply search them in Google Images and then you'll be able to see the results. As you can see, GIFs are somehow similar to videos, but they are just short ones. They don't contain any audio or music. This right here is a GIF, and this one as well, and this one as well. I think you've seen this online, especially on Facebook. Even in the comment section, you will be able to see them. Now, we'll be using these GIFs to make a passive income online. The next thing to do is to go to this website called Jiffy.com. This is a website where a lot of people come to upload and download GIFs, as you can see. They have various GIFs available. They have GIFs for reactions, entertainment, sports, stickers, and artists. When you scroll down to their page, you'll be able to see all the available GIFs that they already have. You can see some trending GIFs right here, and if you want to review the GIF, you can simply click on it, and then you'll be able to see more details about the GIF. And you'll also be able to see some similar GIFs that you can click. I'll show you later on how you can use these GIFs and turn them into a passive income, so I highly recommend that you watch this video all the way until the end so that you'll know all the steps, and I'll also share with you some exclusive bonus tips that will help you earn more money. You see, not a lot of people will reveal these tips to you because not everyone knows about it. And you'll only see these tips on my videos, so you should really watch this video all the way through. Now, the next thing you need to do is go to their search box and look for followers count, and then hit the search icon. You'll be redirected to this page where you can see and choose various GIFs, which are related to followers count. When you scroll to the page, you can see that they have a lot of GIFs, like literally hundreds of GIFs that you can choose from. This one looks nice and clean. This one looks great. And we can use them later on to earn a passive income. If you are not satisfied with these results, you can simply head over to Google Image Search and look for followers count GIF. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, but for me, I would choose something which looks nice and clean because it would attract a lot of people later on. When you've chosen a GIF that you like, all you need to do is to download that on your device. If you're using a laptop or computer, you need to save it on your downloads, and if you're using a mobile phone, you can also download it on your media storage. So I will choose this drift and save it on my computer again. You can choose whatever you want. You can even choose more than one. It's all up to you, so you might be wondering what we're gonna do with these GIFs now. Or how will we earn money from these GIFs? Well, if you stick around, I'll show you a very easy way to earn money from GIFs, and I mean real money. Just take a look at all of my earnings from doing this strategy. As you can see here, all my payments are going directly into my PayPal account. If you don't have any PayPal account, you can simply sign up on their website for free. I won't go over that since it's really simple and you can always search that on Google. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Now that you have your GIFs saved, the next thing I want you to do is to go to the website called Eclincher.com. This is a social media management website which helps social media managers on publishing and scheduling posts. Their goal is to simplify social media marketing when providing a complete and user-friendly solution to engage, monitor, and grow an audience on multiple social networks. This website is trusted by a lot of brands, agencies, and franchises. You can see them down here, as you can see. They are trusted by some of the world's biggest brands. That means they are 100% legit. Just below that, you can also see some of their customer testimonials and some of the awards that they've received. One of the best things about this website is that it can be integrated with some of the biggest social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google, My Business YouTube, TikTok, and so many more. You don't need to worry because you won't be doing any social media management in order to earn money from Eclincher. That's a lot of work to do and it requires a lot of time. What we'll do on this website is to earn money. To earn money is become a partner or an affiliate. For those of you who don't know, there's actually a lot of money that you can make from doing affiliate marketing, and you don't need to do a lot of things. You can simply set it up once and then wait for your earnings to come. That's pretty amazing, right? To become an affiliate, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and then look for the partner/affiliate button. Then click on it. After you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see more details about their partner/affiliate program. When you scroll down below, you can see how much money they'll pay for referral commissions. As you can see here, you can earn as much as $100 per commission. To sign up as an affiliate, you need to click on this blue button right here, and then you'll come over to this page where you will need to fill out some information on these boxes. Simply provide the needed details, and then you can go ahead and press this drop-down menu. You can see that they accept everyone from around the world. This means that it works worldwide. After you fill out your details, click this box to agree to their terms and conditions, and then click on this I'm not a robot, and then finally, click on the sign up button right here. Once you have an account on Eclincher, you can now start to do affiliate marketing. Moving on to the next step, you need to come over to this website, which is Imager.com. And what you need to do is to sign up for a free account over here too. To do that, simply click on this green button on top and provide the needed information. You can also register using your Facebook account or your Twitter account, or even your Google and Yahoo account. It's all up to you. Once you have an account on Imager, what you need to do is to click on this new post button, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can upload the GIF that you've just downloaded. You can either drag and drop it onto this box or choose from your downloads. After doing that, you will come over to this page where you need to write something about the GIF. You need to write something which will catch people's attention, just like this. And then don't forget to put in your affiliate link from Eclincher on the description box. In that way, when people see your GIF, they'll also see your affiliate link, and when they click on it, you will earn money. When you're done with all of that, click on this community button so that your GIF will be seen by a lot of people. You can do this again and again. Simply choose a GIF, save it, and then come over to Imager and upload it with your affiliate link. That's how you make a passive income. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.